welcome back to another N-SCENIC build guide. Today's video is going to be on the bench that you've seen in the intro pictures. It's too small to show you here, it's absolutely tiny. So I'm going to show you how to build one. You get 20 in a kit, or it's sold as 20. You do get 5 spare included in the kit as well, because they are fiddly and if mishandled they will break. So we give you 5 extra there just in case you have any mistakes, or 5 to practice with, we should say. So I'll cut one out of the card stock as it always comes, and I'll zoom in and show you exactly how to build this tiny bench. Okay, so here's a close-up of the bench itself. And as you can see, to a normal household pin, it's extremely tiny and very delicate. Just spin it around a bit so you can see that side. So the 2 parts you want to cut out of the card are like so. So you've got the sides to the bench attached to the seat, and this is going to form the back part, or the back rest to the bench. So we'll just move that to the side for now. And the way we begin the model is I'm going to clamp these legs where it joins the bench here with a flat edge. So I'm going to use a razor blade for that. And just where that bench seat joins the sides of the bench, that's where you want to hold it. And then I'm just going to pull up and fold that over like so. So that's what I've done there. I'll just spin it around for you. So I've folded the bench seat 90 degrees or so to the actual sides of the bench. Okay, so once we've done that, I want to flip it round, and I want to do the same to the other side. So again, I've clamped it. I'm just going to pull the bench and fold that seat over. Okay, so there's the basis to our bench there. We've got the sides to the bench with the bench sheet attached. We've got the uprights, and the next thing to do is to glue on the back to the bench on those uprights. So to do that, I'm going to lay it flat on its back, so that's on its longest leg side. And then I'm going to place the back of the chair, and just with a small pin or pair of tweezers, just position that where you want it. And then I'm going to try and clamp it down. Sorry, I blew it off for speaking. So we'll do that again. We'll put that on. Okay, so I'm going to clamp it down now with a flat edge. It could be a finger, pencil, back of a pen, just to stop it moving while we glue it. So just apply a bit of pressure. I'm just going to apply a bit of glue on one side and allow that to dry. And then I'm going to do any final adjustments with the legs. Get that back exactly where we want it. So I'm happy with that there. So I've adjusted them legs, they're now all nice and straight. The gap between the seat back and the bench is nice and level. And once we're happy, I'm just going to apply some more glue to the model, and that'll secure everything in place. So what I also like to do, just for my own peace of mind once the model's built, where the bench is attached to the side of the legs, the bit we folded over to begin with, I'm just going to apply a tiny amount of glue on that fold, just to give it some extra strength. That way when we're handling it, it's not going to break apart. Okay, so that's that bench complete. So I'm going to put it next to this other one. Obviously these will go on your layout. Let's hold it into place. I'm just going to apply some glue to them legs. And there we are. The N-SCENIC N-Gauge bench. Right, so there we are. That was the N-Gauge N-SCENIC bench. As always, take your time with our models. There's no need to rush them. Use whatever glue you're comfortable with. I use mostly super glue or PVA glue. UHU glue is a good glue to use. But completely whatever you used to use and whatever you're comfortable using, it all works on the card by any means. These are now available at the usual place at n-scenic.co.uk, and as I said, they're sold as 20s but actually come in packs of 25, so you've got 5 there to practice with before you commit to the 20 you get in the kit. I'd like to talk about a competition we're going to run for the next month, for this month. If you could give us a like and subscribe on this video, you'll be automatically entered into a competition where you get to choose any one of the models in our range as a giveaway, and I thank you for your support. Also, I'd like to add that we have just started a Kickstarter campaign to try and get the company and the business up and running. I have now left my job full time and this is what I do, this is what I love doing, and I want to make a career out of something I love. So if you could find us on Kickstarter, I'll put a link below, and anything you could help towards us getting us up off the ground would be fantastic. Thanks for your support. As always, take care. Bye bye.